Okay, here we are, day 9. We got the delivery drivers over here playing a little basketball at the end of the day, trying to kill the time. Oh, yeah. Wow, that was a good shot. That was a good shot. Right? Wow, boom. Got about 15 minutes here till 5 o'clock. Got our 6-inch hollow block delivered today. The first floor. 4-inch hollow block on the second floor. The rest of our scaffolding wood, cocoa lumber. 300 pieces, 140 pesos each. So we had no power today, so we only nails. Very hard work today. Init kayo. Everybody worked very hard today. It's going to be the 20-foot wall. Open patio. 16-foot wall, I believe, over here. Septic tank, a little bit of water, which we'll pump that out, finish this off, put it over there in the fish pond. 2,000 tilapia. Maybe overstocked gamay, but we'll see. Right now it looks good. They're all alive, happy. 11 meter by 6 meter by almost 2 meter deep. 125 roughly cubic meter. 2,000 fingerling tilapia. No aeration yet. No filter yet. Straight pond, straight rainwater. There's our rice field, almost ready to harvest. In about 2 to 3 more weeks. We got our beds made for our garden. Planted some ampalaya. Gotta get some carabao poop over here. Plant my demon peppers, cabbage, and watermelon. There's pork chop. Looking good. He's on his last bag of food, the finishing. Well, he's been a good pig. He's been a good pig. Here's our new baboy. Upat. 4. 3 boys and 1 girl. We'll try to breed that girl, and the 3 boys will be just like pork chop. We'll name them pork chop too. There's our Manook. Got about 100 in here. 20 feet tall. 40 by I think 30. Not sure. We haven't eaten any Manook yet. Or we haven't eaten any eggs either. But pretty soon we'll start eating the boys. And start eating a little bit of egg, because I think the eggs taste a lot better than the farm store. That's it for today. Here's our rice field. Our first planting. We got the pig drain going to the rice field. A little extra fertilizer, no charge. That's all. Bye. Here we are, day 10. Going along pretty fast. A little bit of rain. My watermelon. Cabbage. Demon pepper. Tomato. Filling in the patio area. We have the floor about right here. Removing the formwork. Gonna raise it up. Gonna be about a 20-foot wall. Septic tank is filled with water, but we'll get that pumped out. It's gonna be the bathroom right here. 5 feet by 12 feet. Pretty huge for a Filipino bathroom. Call it CR. Be the terrace, bedroom. A lot of extra dirt from digging out the fish pond. Tilapia doubled in size since last week. Dreary day, but coming along. That's all for now. Okay, here we are, the end of day 12. Saturday night in the province. I got a little music jamming in the background. Looking pretty good. Extra scaffolding here for the terrace. Here we are, day 13. End of the day almost. Getting ready for no power tomorrow. Cordless tools are still not here. The second floor beams situated, formed up.
Hi guys.
This is gonna be the terrace, balcony, that's the bedroom. CR, bathroom. It's gonna be our view. That's all for today. Okay, here we are, day 14. House build. A little bit overcast. Might get some rain. Got a brown out today, so everything's by hand. Battery died for my D-wall. I got 4 more batteries coming, but they won't be here for 2 weeks. So like I said, everything by hand today. Tried to order some batteries from China, but they got blocked coming in for some reason. Getting ready to pour the second floor. Beams. And loft area. One side is going to be open to the bottom. The other side is going to be the bedroom. Balcony overlooking the rice fields. We'll come back later at the end of the day and see what we got done.